SecurityOnScreen.com gives you a range of simple and effective advertising options, putting the choice in your hands. As standard, we give you transparent pricing, live data reporting on all of your advertisements, and the ability to make your campaign as streamlined or full-featured as you like. You can even book a full campaign without ever leaving SecurityOnScreen.com. To explore the options, click on Create Your Campaign. Create Your Campaign is a modular tool which helps you to construct your ideal marketing mix from 4 main categories: display advertising, section sponsorship, video services, and digital marketing. You are free to move between each category, select a single option, or build up a more strategic combination of services. The choice is yours. Display advertising is available in a range of positions, from our flagship leaderboard banner position right at the top of the site to an above-the-fold extra-wide leaderboard or a mid-page MPU. You can even take exclusive sponsorship of the industry sector that matters most to your customers, from surveillance to cybersecurity and beyond. When you're happy with your selections, simply click on Review and Purchase and pay with confidence through our Stripe-based online store. Alternatively, if you would like to organize payment by invoice, then just get in touch. Best of all, every advertisement on SecurityOnScreen.com comes with live reporting as part of your Security On Screen profile, so you can see how your campaign is performing in real time. Welcome to a modern marketing mix. Welcome to Security On Screen.